Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you had a wonderful weekend. I sure did. In the last class, some of you had trouble with pronouncing a few different sounds of the letters A, U, and O. Besides this, some of you don't have the letter L in your native language, and you pronounce certain words like sleep and slow as sleep and slow. And we'll try and fix all those problems now. Don't worry, we are going to practice all the sounds which you found difficult last time. And I have a lot of activities lined up for you so that you can practice it till you get it perfect. Okay? Yeah. Did you all listen to the song Yesterday by the Beatles? Did you? Yes. Some of you have and some of you haven't. Doesn't matter. I'm going to play the song again for you and you're going to listen to it. Now, from this song, I have actually picked out a few words and that's going to help you in your pronunciation as well. Now, I'm going to show you those words that I've picked up for you. The first one is yesterday. The second one is trouble. The third, believe, suddenly, shadow, and wrong. If you notice, the sounds of the letters A, O, and U are all present here, and you have an opportunity to also practice the L sound in troubles. Okay? Now, the first thing you will do is you will take your recorders that you have with you and you will say these words out loud and record them in your recorder. Okay? Shall we do that first? Very good. Now that you've recorded it, I want you to play it back and listen to the sounds again. Shall we do that? Good. Now, does it sound different from the way I say it or you heard in the song? Right, it is different. Yes, for some of you it is different and some of you it's not. But we're going to practice saying it again and over again until we get it right. Okay? Now for that we are going to do an activity wherein you're going to also repeat these words along with similar sounding words to help you master these words. Now, I have those pair of words with me and just have a look at this and repeat after me. Yesterday and away. Yesterday, away. So the sound A is present in both these words. Yes. The second one, troubles and bubbles. Troubles, bubbles. The third one, believe, relieve. Believe, relieve. Remember the L sound? The next one, suddenly, lovingly. Suddenly, lovingly. Yeah? Okay. Then shadow, meadow. Shadow, meadow. Wrong, strong. Wrong and strong. Very good. Now I want you to start practicing these words a couple of times. I'll give you a few minutes for that. Okay? That's very good. Now that you have already practiced saying these minimal pair words, I want you to listen to the song again. Okay? Now, before you listen to the song, I'm going to hand out a few cards with these words written on them and they are all going to be jumbled up. What you will do is you will try and pair them first and then you will try and pick out the correct words as you listen to the song. Okay? Shall we try that activity now? Yeah. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed that activity. The next activity you will be doing is going to be in pairs. I'm going to give out the same words that you practiced right now and in pairs you will practice making sentences out of these words. Now let me give you an example. So when one of you says, yesterday she went away, your partner will say, yesterday she went away. You could say, My mother went away yesterday, and your partner could say, I thought your sister went away yesterday. So you keep making sentences with these two words. Okay? So you try and make simple sentences and practice saying these pair of words over and over again, and you will do it for all the pairs that I have given you. Okay? So let's try doing that now, shall we? I'll give you a few minutes to try this activity. Did you have fun doing this? Very good. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is called sentence stress. Now, what does that mean? Can one of you tell me what it means, sentence stress? Yes, sentence stress means that certain words in sentences are being stressed, or a certain word in a sentence is being stressed. Yes, and why would you do that? To give emphasis or importance to that particular word in the sentence, and it changes the whole meaning of the sentence, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Okay, so I want you to listen to this audio clip. Pay attention to the place where the stress is given, and I'm also going to give you worksheets with the same sentences written on it several times. Now, every time you hear the stress on a particular word, you have to underline that particular word. Then we will cross check the answers and see if you got it right. Okay, let's try it now. Very good. Now, shall we check and see if you got the answers right? Let's listen to the first sentence. I asked you to buy red roses. So the first word I was stressed. So it was me who asked you to buy red roses, right? Yes. Now, the second sentence. I asked you to buy red roses. So the stress is on the word. Very good. You. Okay, let's listen to the third sentence. I asked you to buy red roses. Very good. So now you got the word red. And what does that imply? It implies that I wanted you to buy red roses, not yellow ones, right? Good. Now let's listen to the last sentence. I asked you to buy red roses. Yes. So now, where is the stress? Yes, the stress is on the roses. That's very good. You've all done a fantastic job and got all these sentences right. You've practiced the sounds of the letters A, O, and U, and you've done very well. Some of you didn't get it right, but that doesn't matter. We can keep practicing until we get the right sounds and pronunciations.